Hey everyone, Miss Ashley here, and today we are going to draw Pumpkin Pikachu. And here is our treasure chest. Let's complete the drawing to see what's inside. Okay, I'm going to start with Pikachu's head. And the top of his head is just a little arched line like that. And his head is going to be kind of slanted. So that's why it's a little bit like going to the side. And close. Okay. Next, let's draw Pikachu's eyes. Now his eyes are perfect little round circles, and they are kind of like wide set eyes, like that. And on the inside of the circle, we're going to draw a smaller circle, and this will be the highlight. And then for his nose, that is just a little triangle. And I'm going to do an arch above it. Okay. Now for his mouth, start in the center of his nose and do a U shape this way, and then go back to the center and a U shape this way. And then to do the bottom, that's just one big U shape like that. And let's give Pikachu a tongue. And then he has, on the sides of his face, he has little red rosy cheeks, which will just be two little circles like this. All right, next let's draw the pumpkin that's on top of his head. So to draw the pumpkin, we're going to start with the center. So you're going to draw an oval right in the center of his head. And then go to the left side of that oval. And we're going to curve around like this. And let's do the same thing on the right. Start at the top and curve around. And let's give our pumpkin a little stem. Okay. Next, let's draw his ears. So I'm going to go to the side of his face, kind of near the top. And Pikachu has really long ears. So draw a long line out, and then same line and bring it back. And then he's got little black tips at the top of his ear. And now the ear on the right side, I'm going to have that go like a little sideways. So start at the top of his head and draw a long line out. And the same on the bottom. And then let's draw that black tip. Perfect. All right, next let's draw the little ruffles for the top of the pumpkin. So go to the bottom of his face, and we're going to draw a line out and then in. Out and then in. So it's just like a zigzag line going all the way around his neck. Okay. Next, we'll draw Pikachu's arms. And come to the edge of his little ruffle right here. And let's draw a line up. And then the bottom part of his arm there. And let's give him some fingers. All right, and same thing on the right side. Start here at the end of this little ruffle. Draw a line out. And then the bottom. And give him his fingers. All right, now it's time to draw Pikachu's body, or the pumpkin. So you see where the line for his arm ends? You're going to start right above that up here at this ruffle. And we're going to draw a big, round, like pumpkin base. And connect. All right. Now come to the middle of his body, and we're going to draw the lines for the pumpkin. So I'm going to draw a curved line down and then match it on this side. And one more curve on the left side and one more curve on the right side. And he has little sleeves on his arms. I forgot to draw that. All right, last step. Let's do his feet. So come to the bottom of his body, and his feet are just little curved lines like that. And connect. That looks perfect. All right, now let's color. Our Pumpkin Pikachu looks so good. Okay, now pause the video if you have to, because it's time to open our treasure chest. Oh look, it's Peppa Pig, and she's holding a pumpkin. Join me next time and we'll draw her too. Have a great day.